Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for joining us. I'm here today without Camden because I could not literally wait to try this. I'm sure everyone has seen the TikTok video with them loading the PEZ dispenser without taking it out of the wrapper, but just in case you haven't, check it out. So I don't believe it's gonna work. There's no way that PEZ has been around for 95 years and no one has figured this out yet, but I need to check it out for myself. When I was at the store today trying to find PEZ, that was an ordeal. I think everyone's trying this right now. I went to 4 different stores and finally I found it, but there were only 2 left, so I got the last 2. All right, so the TikTok video says all we have to do is take the PEZ and then insert it in the bottom here, and then the rest will do it on its own. Let's see. Okay, it's not even pushing up in there. There is no way. There's no way to push that in there. I knew this was not gonna work. All right, let's try the second PEZ dispenser, see if that works any different. Now we're gonna try Hello Kitty. So let me know down below in the comments, what is your favorite flavor of PEZ? Mine is grape. All right, come on, Hello Kitty. Okay, here we go. That's doing something. It clicked. Hi, Flippy. Okay, now let's push it down. Nope. When you go to push it down, it's just gonna push it right back out. All right, well, there you have it, kids. Don't believe everything you see on the internet. That's disappointing. I'm disappointed, but I'm not surprised. All right, well, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.